Welcome, and thank you for joining us today in the Golf Cart Garage as we perform some brand new custom work on our 2015 Club Car Precedent. This cart has definitely paid its dues, starring in a bunch of our upgrade videos in the past. Just in case you're joining us for the first time, here's a quick look at the original results from those earlier projects. To see the full video on this, click the link in the upper right corner of your screen. After all the changes this club car has gone through, we've decided it's time to find it a new home. So to get it ready, we're giving it a new makeover. We're turning this Precedent into a camouflage outdoor sports and hunting cart. Though I'm choosing to refer to it as the Forest Animal Involuntary Relocation Vehicle. Oh, that's messed up. Our service tech Nick mentioned that he enjoys doing vinyl body wrap projects, so we got some accessories to fit that camo cart motif. First step was dismantling the parts of the cart that block the body panels for the vinyl wrap. And unboxing it gave me the opportunity to make awful dad jokes like, "Ooh, camouflage, eh? Must be Italian." Nick is very skilled and made this tedious, detailed work look easy with stunning results. So next, we added a brush guard to protect the body and lights from outdoor hazards, fender flares to stop the mud and debris from hitting passengers, and a dual gun rack and clays basket for the front, because our friend Lil John recommended them for skeet shooting. Gotta get that practice in. And before you start commenting us jokes about how you can't see the cart anymore, where did it go? Let me just assure you, we've already made every camouflage joke possible way before you got here. So now that we've got this cart all wrapped up, so to speak, soon we'll be listing it for sale, so somebody warn Bambi's mom. Next, we'll be starting a new video series to customize a Yamaha cart from the ground up that will be premiering soon, so stay tuned to GCGTV. And we'd love to help with your parts upgrade or full custom project too, so stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. You can also send your questions and sympathies for Nick by email to askdave@golfcartgarage.com. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.